All right, how's my money-making friends? Let's make some money with another side hustle. Today I have a good one you can learn in literally 60 minutes. In fact, I'm going to try to teach it to you in 60 seconds. It's in demand and it's super easy to do, and I'm doing this myself. My name's Rob and I test side hustle. Okay, so this is my gig I have on Fiverr, and I create subtitles and captions just like you're seeing in this video right now for different types of fonts and visuals. And it really increases watch time in videos, and a lot of people are making sure they have it in their videos. And a lot of people just don't have time to do it. They need someone to do it for them. So that's where someone like me comes in. Okay, so it's super easy to do, and your clients will think you're using some fancy software. In fact, this is how you do it. You open up CapCut, you download it to your phone and all that stuff. And then when you get it open, you upload your video, and you go right there and just select the text, then hit auto caption, and then pick the style, the size, the font, the color, and you're off to the races. You're good to go. Just check out my profile and you can try my #1 side hustle that I've tested and I know works.